Hey guys, Turtle RC here. So I just went on a first rip with these RcTire, and I gotta say, not bad. They are a little wide. I had zero problems, guys. I might have had a little bit too much grip. It was hard to get the back end to slide around, break loose. Unfortunately, I think the 2056S motor from Spectrum ain't gonna be enough, boys. So let me set up and I'll show you guys what I had to modify to get them to fit. Okay, I'm sure a lot of you guys aren't gonna put these wheels on your Limitless, but if you do, this is the solution I came up with. So in the front, you can see that I cut that. Okay, here's the piece that I cut off. That's really the only piece I had to cut, and just a little tab off of that spoiler, that diffuser. Cut a little bit more than I wanted to. Second thing that I had to do, guys, is instead of using the stock screw holes in the front diffuser, I actually just drilled a new one. I drilled a new one, I don't know, probably about 2 millimeters forward of the stock hole positions, which I was able to move all this back. Now we're straight, and just so you guys can see, hold up, that's full lock, boys. So, I don't know, trimming my body wasn't really an issue for me. There's another point I wanted to share with you guys, is these things are heavy. They're not light. Grab a foam, probably 3 times the weight as a normal foam. Easy. I don't have a scale, I don't sell drugs, but I can definitely tell you there's a huge difference in weight mass. So with that being said, definitely gear down your motors. This is the 6S motor. I was running on a S. Okay, it's a 29 center spool in the center, and that's a 30 tooth. I originally came out with a 36 tooth, and boys and girls, I blew the bullets off. Yeah, it was bad. Freaked me out. The motor got, I don't know, at least 200 degrees. It felt like I couldn't even touch it. So I just took some 6mm bullets, females, and just soldered them together. Female this way, female that way. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but did it with a torch, and she held. So one thing I was a little bit worried about is how this 3D print's going to react with the hex. I want to show you guys one thing real quick. So this is an M2C hex. See how loose? Yeah. Here's a stock hex. See how tight it fits? A little bit of play on there. It's about as much as before I ran it. So I don't really think that it opened up. I think that just the tolerance is off a little bit. Flip it around. I was also worried about that face. See how it was flattened out with the nut. I did use an impact. Looks alright. I see no issues with that. So I didn't really slide it around too much. Kind of a little bit too grippy, boys and girls. With that being said, hopefully you got a good servo. Like I said, that's a Power Hobby servo. So I had no issues. But I'm gonna wait till it rains, and I'm gonna break these things loose. One more thing. The paint's not holding up very well. That's okay. I might change that red anyway. Hold up. I did a little test paint on the inside. See how well it takes it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Try and get it chromed out. Kind of like the perfect pass that one. I bet you never seen one like that before, huh? You know. Okay guys, so that's kind of just the bench overview. That way you guys can kind of see a little bit more up and close on the setup. Wheels, Limitless. Let's go test these babies out. You know what I mean. Here we go. Okay guys, first test, first baby nibble. Baby nibble. Look at this. Look. Not that. Look. So, this is not the motor for this setup, boys. I'll be back. Okay guys. A lot of shit going on. So, blew the bullets on my motor. This is the Spectrum 2052. Oh! Alright, well they're doing their little wheelies and shit like that. I'm gonna break these tires in. As you saw, just had a throttle issue. My controller just pissed me the fuck off. Anywho, here we go. These are, I'm gonna break in these tires. Yeah, they're having fun. Get the steering trimmed in. Pretty good. Alright, we are recording. Speed rip. Alright, that was nasty. Ooh, it's getting busy out here, boys. Shit just happened. He's alright. Okay, I forgot. I'm still breaking in the tires. I'm not going to do a speed run yet. I'm just going to kind of let you guys see what's going on here. Brakes are a little light, so I'm afraid to do a speed run. Ooh, they're pretty grippy. Shoot. I almost ate shit bad, boys. Ooh. 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 I'm scared. Alright, I'm going to bring it back. I'm actually really impressed. Really impressed. It's beautiful. Okay, boys, just pulled the clips. 93. Okay. Check the tunes. They were like 89 before I did the run. Okay, she's on 8S. This is the 6S motor. Okay. Like I said, I had to resolder these. These were like the 4.5 millimeters. I got the adapters on eBay. and they were just soldered like shit. So I smoked one of them, so I figured 6mm bullet all the way around. Guys, I'm not done testing these. I am not done testing these. So, man, I'm actually really impressed. Really impressed. There was one thing I saw on my bench. Hold on, I wanted to show you guys. Let's see if I can reproduce it right here just with the servo. So what I saw was when I went full steer, it was bad. Just lifting off the ground. But I'm not getting that. That was, yeah, shoot. And the wideness, man, really makes it look like an F1 car. So Turtle RC is going to make another video, and I'm not done reviewing these things because, guys, I'm actually really impressed. I did have to do a little trimming, like I showed you earlier. Just a clip here, clip there. That's it. Rear's bent.